Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I did this beautiful hairstyle in no time. So first and foremost, I start off with watering my hair, and I'm using this 360 mist sprayer. I got this one from Sally Beauties, but I'm gonna put a link down for Amazon, which you can get it for way cheaper. So here I parted my hair in the middle and I use my nose as a guideline. So that's what my mom always did. And I use the Eco Styler Protein. And I use a harsh brush with it. I feel like this Eco Styler Protein isn't really good for like sleeked hair because I saw my hair lifting really quickly after I was done with this hairstyle. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna use next time. And then I'm just gonna put my hair into a bun. For doing my edges, I use this Style Factor Edge Booster and the Baby Tress Edge Styler. Then I just like swooped and like moved the hair around as if I desired. Like you can see how I did it. I like to leave out like a little curl on each side. Yes, and I just used a little bit of the edge booster and put it right on my baby hair and just swooped and used both sides of the baby tress, which is like a hard brush and like a plastic comb, to just even out how the edges are laid or were laid. And then I just put my hair into a silk scarf while I am preparing my hair add-on. I used 1.5 packs of the crochet braid in a deep wave, 22 inches. I just separated them for more volume, and I would just tie a knot in the middle and make it super tight for me then to be able to connect it to my bun. And that's all we do with that add-on. So once the hair is slicked down, we get the add-on and literally tie it upside down to the bun. And to make sure that the bun and the add-on stay together, I take one of the strands of the braids and wrap it around the bun to just be sure that, you know, there's no movement. And then I just fluff the hair around the bun and take 2 of the last strands and secure it into the bun with a baby pin. And boom, there you have this gorgeous hairstyle, which is super easy to do, very inexpensive. I paid $9 for the hair, and that's about it, girl. Like, if you like it, let me know, comments underneath, and thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.